Welcome to Mr. R's art class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thumbs, subs, and ring that bell. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a profile view of an individual, of a character. So it'd be a profile view would be a side view. So first thing you need to do is draw a circle. And in that circle, we're going to draw an X or a plus sign into 4 even quarters. And then inside of this circle, we're going to divide the top half into even thirds. So we're going to try to make this top half here into 3 even pieces. Same thing with the bottom, 3 even pieces. Same thing with the sides, 3 even pieces. And you're going to connect these outer marks and try to curve them a bit to make a circle on the inside. And these are going to be guidelines for the different characteristics. Okay, so you're going to have a circle on the outside and a circle on the inside here. So first thing we need to do is we need to add another third to the bottom of this circle. So you're going to take the distance from the inner part of the circle to the bottom of this inner circle here. So I'm going to put the tip of my pencil where my lines intersect, where we made that plus sign, and my right index finger here, I'm going to place it on my pencil, but where the bottom of this inner circle ends. So the tip of my pencil is in the middle of the circles, then my right index finger is measuring where this inner circle ends here. And so I'm going to take that distance, I'm going to move the tip of my pencil to the bottom of that inner circle, and I'm going to put my left finger over here where my finger's at on the pencil that I just scooted down, and I'm going to make a mark right down there. So again, what I did was I'm measuring the distance from the inner circle here to the outer part of this inner circle. So the tip of my pencil is here, right index finger is exactly where the bottom of this inner circle is at, and I'm taking that distance, putting the tip of my pencil where my right index finger was. Now my index finger is right over here, and I'm going to make a mark right there. So where this mark is going to tell me where my chin's at. So you could kind of curve this part here. So this is going to be the front part of your face, the back of your head, and this is going to be your chin here. Okay, so one thing that I do that you might find helpful is I mark off these different areas here. So at this inner circle, I write the letter H to the side. Then where our lines intersect is I draw the letter E. And then for eyebrows, under the eyebrows we're going to have the eyes, then the ears. Then I'm going to draw the letter L, because that's what a simplified nose looks like. And right over here at this mark is where our nose is going to be, the bottom of our nose is going to be. Then I'm going to draw an O, because that's what a simplified mouth looks like. And so that kind of spells out hello in a different way. So H, E, 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 L, and O. So H for hairline, eyebrows, eyes, ears, nose, and then the mouth. So now we could go ahead and start adding our different characteristics. So this is where our hairline would be, where we made this mark over here at the top of this inner circle, or where the H is. And again, you have to remember what a face looks like from the side. And so from where this line intersects here to the bottom of this inner circle, that's where our ear is going to be. So you're looking at the side of an ear. Then you have to remember that this line here is also where our eyebrows are. So you're drawing an eyebrow from the side. And so the way I draw eyebrows is I kind of start at the bottom or under this horizontal line. And then I go up, and then I come back down. So it kind of looks like a check mark. And what I do is I start out with these longer lines, and as I get towards the end of this check mark, my lines are a little bit lighter. but they're also a lot shorter. And you can come back and maybe make your eyebrows a little bit thicker. So under your eyebrows and next to this inner circle, you're going to draw a shape that looks like this, and that's what your eye is going to look like from the side. You could add eyelashes if you want, but I'm just going to kind of curve that, and that's going to be your eyeball. And you could draw the pupil and then the iris if you'd like. So you could draw the iris around the pupil there. So at the edge of this circle, to the bottom of our ear, is where the nose is going to be. So remember, we do the letter L because that's what a simplified nose looks like. So we could start the bridge of our nose. And it needs to end at the bottom of our ear, so right over here somewhere. And that could kind of curve in a backward C. And now we need to start adding the mouth. So these lips could kind of come out a bit. Then at this bottom lip, we would add the chin. And if you want to change the way that these lips look, you can. And again, all these features here, whether it's the eyebrows, the eyes, and then the shape of the mouth, really depends on the expression of your character. And so our character still doesn't have any hair. You could kind of come in here and add some more details for the ears. And then you also need to add the back of the hair and then the neck. This is just how to draw a basic version of what a head looks like from the side, but you would come back with your own characteristics of your superhero, or if you're trying to draw yourself or a friend, and you would add those details that your friend has. So what does the hairstyle look like from the side? What does the back of the hair look like? Or even what does the hair look like kind of covering the face a bit here on the edges here. So what you could do is you could leave all these marks here, come over with a permanent marker, go over all of those details that you do want to keep, maybe the eyebrows, the nose, the lips, the ears. Go over those with a permanent marker, and then come back with an eraser and get rid of all those marks, all those guidelines that we started with. And you could even play with different hairstyles. If you don't like it, you could still erase it. And then once you find something that you do like with the permanent marker, you could come back and go over that with the marker itself once you finalize what your character is going to look like. So if you have any questions about how to draw a profile view, a view of the head from the side, go ahead and let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And feel free to watch any of the other related videos.